Most people jump into reward apps expecting fast money, then quit after a few days because they picked the wrong one. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not all get paid to apps work the same, and choosing the wrong one can mean wasting hours for pennies. In this video, you'll clearly understand the difference between Mistplay, InboxDollars, and Freecash. You'll learn which one pays the most, which one is easiest for beginners, and which one actually makes sense in 2026, depending on your time and goals. Let's start with the fastest overview. Mistplay is mainly for mobile gamers. InboxDollars focuses on surveys, emails, and small online tasks. Freecash mixes everything together, including games, offers, and crypto payouts. So right away, they are built for completely different types of users. Now here's where most people get confused. They assume all three apps pay the same way, but the earning speed is very different. Mistplay rewards you for playing games, but the earnings are slow. You need consistent gameplay, and payouts depend heavily on time spent. It's good if you already play mobile games like Alex who games every evening, but not ideal if you want fast cash. InboxDollars is more structured. You earn by completing surveys, watching ads, and simple tasks. But here's the problem. Surveys can disqualify you often, which means time gets wasted. It's reliable, but not always efficient. Now here's where it gets interesting. Freecash usually offers the highest earning potential because it includes high-paying offers and gaming rewards. Some users reach cash out faster, especially with offer completions. But it also requires more attention to detail to avoid low-value tasks. So which one actually pays the most? Freecash generally wins in raw earning potential. InboxDollars wins in consistency. Mistplay wins in passive gaming experience. But the real strategy is not picking just one. Smart users combine them. For example, Jake might use Mistplay while relaxing, InboxDollars during short breaks, and Freecash when he wants to actively earn. Before you choose, think about your goal. If you want casual earnings, go with Mistplay. If you prefer simple daily tasks, InboxDollars works. If you want the highest possible payout speed, Freecash is your best option. To wrap it up, none of these apps will replace a full-time income, but they can turn spare time into small, steady earnings if used correctly. If this breakdown helped you understand which app fits your style, hit like, drop a comment with which one you're trying, and subscribe for more honest earning app breakdowns like this.